I'm a senior repair technician, and I'm also a glass technician as well. They send you through so many different roles, so they try and replicate being out on the road in the training academy. It varies, you know, one day you could be doing a bath repair, and then tomorrow I could be doing a glass, scratch to a glass pane. It all vary, every day is a different day. So that's the benefits, that's the perks of the job. So I've been lucky myself. I've been all over the country, all over the world. I've been to Singapore 3 times, done the Caribbean, the Mediterranean. Been there, done that. So it is good, you know. I enjoy working for Magicman. It's, you know, it's a good firm, they look after you, you know. If you've got any doubts or issues about the job, you can just give someone a call. Or even sort of personally, you know, if you've got issues at home and you're struggling with work, just give them a call and they're really understanding. I was a marine engineer, so I was on the spanners doing repairing outboard engines. And I seen them advertising, and I just thought, you know, it's something different. I thought, I'm quite a hands-on person, so I thought I'll have a go, it's worth a try.